Tunnello VPN is a popular option for securing your online activity, but before you decide to purchase, there are 12 things you need to know. Stick with me till the end, as we'll compare it to other top VPN services and let you know whether it's the right fit for you. First off, Tunnello VPN is known for its simplicity. The user interface is clean, and it's relatively easy to set up, even for beginners. But compared to other VPNs like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, it doesn't have as many features, so if you're looking for advanced options, you might want to keep that in mind. The second thing to consider is Tunnello's speed. It offers decent speeds for streaming and browsing, but not as fast as some competitors, especially when connecting to servers farther away. If speed is your primary concern, there are better options out there. Next thing to note is Tunnello's server selection. It has a smaller network of servers compared to giants like ExpressVPN, which boasts over 3,000 servers worldwide. Tunnello's network is more limited, so you might not have the flexibility you need for accessing content in certain countries. The fourth thing to consider is the security and privacy. Tunnello VPN uses strong encryption and follows a no-logs policy, which is essential for protecting your privacy. However, it's not as transparent as some other VPN providers, which offer more detailed audit reports and third-party verification. Another key feature is pricing. Tunnello VPN offers competitive pricing, especially for longer-term plans. But if you're looking for a free VPN, Tunnello does offer a free plan with limited features, which is good for basic use, but may not be ideal for heavy streaming or torrenting. Speaking of torrenting, the sixth point is Tunnello's support for P2P file sharing. It allows torrenting, but the speeds can be slower compared to VPNs optimized for that purpose, like CyberGhost or PIA. If torrenting is a big priority for you, keep this in mind. The seventh thing to know is customer support. Tunnello offers 24/7 support through live chat, which is great, but it lacks some of the extensive knowledge base and email support options that other VPNs offer. Next up, device compatibility. Tunnello works on most devices, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. However, if you need to set it up on a router or a smart TV, you may face some limitations or need to use manual configuration. The ninth point is the VPN's ability to bypass geo restrictions. While Tunnello works well with streaming services like Netflix in some regions, it can struggle with others, like BBC iPlayer or Hulu, compared to services like ExpressVPN, which consistently excels in unblocking content. Another thing to keep in mind is that Tunnello VPN doesn't have as many extra features like ad blocking or malware protection, which are available in some premium VPNs like NordVPN. This could be a deal breaker if you want that extra layer of protection. The 11th point is performance in restrictive countries. Tunnello VPN doesn't have the stealth modes some other VPNs offer to bypass heavy censorship in countries like China. If you need a VPN for a country with strict internet laws, Tunnello might not be your best option. Lastly, Tunnello offers a 7-day free trial, which is a great way to test it out and see if it suits your needs. But keep in mind that once the trial is over, you'll need to commit to a subscription. For some, this trial period might not be long enough to fully evaluate the service. So, is Tunnello VPN a good option? Yes, it is, especially if you're looking for simplicity, affordability, and basic privacy protection. However, if you need faster speeds, a larger server network, or more advanced features, you might want to check out our recommended VPN solution, which you can try for free.